everybody, welcome. Another brisk day here in paradise. Welcome to the show. With all the stuff that's going on, I'm planning to do some short stories or some short tours of half-day treks around the beautiful state of Tasmania, mostly around the Launceston area where I live. So just to educate those that aren't from Australia, this is what Australia looks like. I put a map down here, and then way in here underneath Australia is Tasmania, an island state of Australia tucked down here in the south. So that's where I'm from. There's a map of that there. So as you can see, we're not a very big place. Big enough, I guess. And there's some real beauty down here. It's quite a natural state. We have hydroelectricity because we've got free-flowing rivers, and some magnificent bush, we call it here, woods apparently it's called in America, and some really beautiful things to see and do. So what I would like to do, while it's the dead of winter here in Tassie and we can't get out too much, is take you to some of those places really close to where I live. So please join me the next whatever episodes until I run out of things to do or the weather warms up enough for me to actually get out and do some longer trips. And enjoy what I can bring you in this beautiful island state that I live in. So kick back, grab a beer, and enjoy the show. Cheers. If you like this stuff, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe if you're not. Today's visit is the Tamar Island wetlands. They have an interpretation centre, but it's closed. In case you haven't been to Tassie till you've seen a snake. They're everywhere. Looks like it's a fair old jag out to the island. We'll head out there and have a look. not much to see in the winter. Probably be more fun in the summertime. I reckon there'd be snakes here everywhere to check out, torment, but yeah, not today. But the view's not bad. Check this out. Let's see, Island is the final destination. Yeah, right, yeah, just there. That's where we're heading. There's one down in there nesting. I don't know if you can see it or not. We're getting a bit closer to that island. It's a well maintained picnic and barbecue area. Toilets and restrooms. Squirt did bag this joint out. Said it was fairly lame. I'll see if I can find that footage. I'll put that in here.
Yep.
Second boring thing, that was pretty boring as well.
What was that?
The walk, that adds up. That was really boring.
At the marsh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I would not recommend, unless you like walking and you're prepared to see a snake or two.
Well, just between me and you, Squirt, the idea of the channel is actually to promote Tasmania and all the great things that you can do here. So you're really not helping me cause at all with those type of comments.
Maybe she was right. Maybe you need to come here in the mid-depth of summer. I can see why so many people come here and see snakes and stuff. It's just it's a breeding ground for a whole snake down in here. Amazing. Grass and water and lots of frogs. Heaps for them to feed on. So yeah, they'll be here everywhere in their numbers. I'll have to come back, see if I can dig you one out come summertime. But I hope you've enjoyed this look. Hope I can find you better to show you on Tassie. That's for sure. It's must be time for a beer. Let's go.